Hi, I'm Roxana from WP Estate, and in this video I will show how to create a contact page in the WpRentals theme. You will have available the theme default template for a contact page. We showcase this template in our main demo. The default contact page will display a map with the office location, and in the page you will have a contact form with your contact details. The details on this page are managed from theme options. Beside the default contact page template, you can also create custom contact pages using Elementor. We showcase such pages in our Cabos and Honolulu demos. First, I will show how to create contact page using the theme default template. For that, I will go to admin. I will create a new page from pages. I will add the page title, and you will need to select the contact page template. This is the one. The contact page created with the default theme template does not support edits with Elementor or other editors. You can choose the header media type to be a map, and I also disable the sidebar. I will publish the page, and the page with the theme default template will display in the map the location of the office. The details in this page are managed from theme options. I will go to theme options, and in social and contact page details, you can add your contact details, and these details will show in the contact page. You can add here company name, address, contact details, and also you can set here your office location on the map. The default contact form will include full name, email, website, and a space to add your message, and here the details from theme options will be displayed. If you want to create a custom page with a custom contact form, then you can create a page using Elementor editor. If you like the custom pages from our demos, you can simply import them using the studio templates. I will show the steps that you need to take. I will create a new page. I will add the title. The page template will remain the default template. I will set the header and sidebar to none and publish the page. Once it is published, I will edit it with Elementor. I will choose a pre-built template for the contact page from the studio. For that, I will press WpRentals templates button. I will go to full pages. Here you will find many pages from all our demos. You will have a pre-built template, and I will choose the Honolulu contact page. I will click insert. The template was imported, and now you can edit the content and add your details. You can change the slider in the header. You will need to change the images in style. You can change the text, the contact details, and also you can change the fields from the contact form builder. For the page created in Elementor, you can also add other details that you need to display in the contact page. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.